So this video is a how to make a XT and VT graph using a Google Sheet. So step one, you need to copy and paste your data from whatever data source that you're using. I'm using this data here. Then you want to, again, highlight it. You want to insert a chart, and it will make your XT graph for you. Hopefully it chooses the scatter chart. If it doesn't, you may need to do that. Now your next step is a little bit more complicated. Over on the chart editor, you want to customize and go down to series. If you scroll down in the series menu, you'll see a box that says trend line. Click the box on, and a whole new menu opens up. When you go to the label, you want to choose use equation. And believe it or not, it will actually give you the equation of this line. The equation of this line would be x is equal to 6x plus 2. Now, the 6 is actually the slope of the line, because remember, velocity is distance divided by time. And if velocity is distance divided by time, you went 54 meters in 9 seconds, giving you a velocity of 6 meters per second. So in order to do the VT graph, you're actually going to get the time in seconds and the velocity in meters per second. And you only need 2 data points. And the 2 data points you need are the first one and the last one. At 0 seconds, it was going 6 meters per second. And at 9 seconds, it was going 6 meters per second. And you again want to highlight that data and insert another chart. When you do that, again, you want to turn on that trend line in Customize, Series, Trend Line, and it will actually graph the velocity time graph for you. You can shrink it down so that it fits. Take a screenshot of this, and that is what you would actually paste onto your assignment. Thanks for watching.